Alright.
You can only see adipose tissue.
Yeah, adipose tissue you can't really see. Adrenal glands, those are on top of all the kidneys. Afferent and efferent arterioles. And this is the afferent, and this is the efferent. The afferent's usually larger. Arcuate arteries and veins are right here, going parallel. Calyx major and minor. That's just like, these are the minor ones, and then they all lead into major calyxes, or however you pronounce it. Diaphragm, you can't see on these models. Fibrous capsule is the outside space of the kidney. The glomerulus is right here. You've got the visceral layer, the capsular space, and the podocytes are the rigid layers. The hilum is about right in there. We're not really sure. Kidney, obviously that. Peritoneum is the outside covering. Nephron and nephron loop. This is the loop. We're not positive, but we think this whole structure is a nephron, or all one of these structures with its loop is a nephron. Renal capsule is the same thing, the outer covering. The column, what was that? Oh, is the, no wait, that's the collecting duct. This is the collecting duct.
Oh, column. I think it's this whole thing.
Okay, yeah, the column we think is like the same thing as a cortex. A corpuscle, that's one of these. A cortex. This area is the cortex. This area is the medulla. Pelvis is where all the major calyces meet. To form the renal pelvis. Papilla are like the nipple-like structures at the end of the pyramids. A pyramid is just the same thing as medulla. Sinus are like the spaces in between, like the calyces and stuff, like air is easily in between that. Collecting duct is the white thing that all the nephrons lead into through, yeah, papillary ducts, and they all lead into that. Proximal distal convoluted tubes. This one is a proximal, this one is a distal. All right here, proximal, distal convoluted tube. Arcuate artery and vein, whenever that, those are right there. And renal artery and vein, right there. And then the ureter, those are the two tubes coming down from the kidneys, and the urinary bladders down there. Urethra is the hole that leads out of the bladder on the other side.